Hi. So now we are doing a 360 recording. You can use your handphone, turn around, or you use your screen mouse to drag the screen. You can see surrounding over here. So this package is a Wedgewood Deluxe King room. We got no upgrade today, but we got a 28-hour stay. So we check in at 9 a.m. and we were able to get a little bit extend of the late checkout to 7 p.m. tomorrow. So this room in total we paid 574 and 38 cents, included with the breakfast, included with the all-day champagne for morning. As long as we check in, we can go to the champagne bar to enjoy the champagne, and then can go to play the kids facility. But for this video, we are only to show you the room tour only because for others get privacy, so I would not go around with this camera. Immediately come to this room, it is quite cool, spacious, and by right, turn your camera over here or drag your your phone over here. There will be a fruit basket right over here, but I think it's a little bit too early, so they have not placed the fruit yet because that by right check-in time is 3 p.m. and then we are here very early. So here is the cutlery for the fruit, and then the plate. It's a very cute plate from Wedgewood, very good brand, and the welcome note. I think, would you like to take a look? Okay, you want to read out the welcome note?
Okay, so basically they are welcoming us back to the Valley Wing, the most exclusive sanctuary at the Shangri-La Hotel Singapore, and they are honored that we have chosen to stay with them again. So it's by Nora, the Valley Wing manager, which we met earlier at the breakfast at Summit Room. So as we proceed into the rest of the space, right, over here it's the makeup table, and then in the drawer itself will be the hair dryer, and there is also a sign to indicate the direction of prayers for our Muslim friends who chose to stay over here. And then
It's brighter now.
Yeah, it's a very nice space for your other half to actually do their makeup and stuff.
Yeah, and
So
there's a
that's
power
great.
plug over here for the hair dryer. But let's talk about the mini bar first.
Alright.
So 6 capsules from the Nespresso machine, the coffee. Sorry, there's nothing here. And let's see.
So we were told that the fridge has been emptied, but if we would like anything from the mini bar, we can actually request for it to be delivered to our room via the digital hotel concierge.
But it's not free, right?
I think non-alcoholic beverages are free.
Oh, okay.
According to Risa, who checked us in.
So this is the tea amenity set, 2 regular coffee and 2 decaffeinated instant coffee. The tea is very good, we love the tea very much, and there is the kettle right over there as well. Fridge is empty as we mentioned. So let me move the camera a little bit over to the front so we can see more things sharp.
Okay, so we have now moved into the main space of the room, and where Jim is standing.
You need to give a little bit space.
Where Jim is standing is the workstation. So at the workstation area there is a universal power outlet as well as 2 USB ports.
Come on, bring it closer.
And then there is a bag of care kit. So there are like 2 masks, and then a mask holder. And then there is antiseptic wipes as well as the alcohol hand sanitizer for your use during the stay. And then, as mentioned earlier, there is a digital concierge, so the QR code is actually provided over here. And there are writing materials, a phone.
Yeah, and it's also a printer right over here. We never use it, but it's a wireless printer. You connect to the SSID with the password label over here. You can print out the document. And yeah, Sean will show you.
And over here is where the TV is, Samsung TV. I'm not sure if the
Comcast, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure if the function of Chromecast is available.
So you press the source, and no, there is only PC, the VGA, and yeah, there is screen mirroring.
Yeah, screen mirroring.
So let me show you how it looks like right over here. Yeah.
Okay.
But usually we try to map it. It's
Yeah.
always unable to map it.
Yeah, I think it will be it might be successful if you are using a Samsung phone. We are not sure. We haven't successfully done the mapping before.
Yeah.
So there's a Philips soundbar at the bottom over here, and then yeah.
So let's
And
go over
on
here.
the other side is where you have a very nice, comfortable bed. And then what's inside the drawer?
Nothing in the drawer. So this is a card to share with you that the room attendant to clean up the room and the room inspector to check out the room.
So the master control switch is over at the other side where Jim is. Over here where I'm standing, there is only the reading and the night light control.
So let me show you the view of the room from the room. Oh, it's quite nice. If you look carefully right in this dome, I'm not sure you can see that. There's a lot of orchid right over there, and I can see some of the orchids is already put up because the last time it's almost like dries up, right?
Yeah,
And
it's a photo spot according to the hotel.
so right at the front, you see a lot of balcony. That is
The garden
wing, and to the left side,
is the tower wing.
so
which
currently it's a stay home notice hotel, so no one can stay inside except you travel back to Singapore.
And then immediately below the garden wing is where the swimming pool is, and if you have watched our Rasa Sentosa resort video, you will know that actually it's very similar to the style that they adopt.
But it's the pool here is very deep. I think it's over 2 meter deep, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the washroom.
Okay, so before we go to the washroom, there will be a walk-in wardrobe space.
Over here.
Yeah. A nice space for you to sit and wear your shoe, for example.
And this is a shoe box.
Yeah.
Oh.
With all the necessary equipment. And there's a small table over here, maybe for you to put your jewelry or whatever.
Okay, now you turn your screen right over here, you will see what is inside the wardrobe. So the ironing board, steam iron, bedroom slipper, the laundry bag is inside. And what is this? Oh, there's one umbrella inside as well.
Okay, so there are lots of space for you to hang your clothes.
Oh, the safe box is huge.
Yes.
We never really use it because that we think it's quite safe for this hotel, very professional, so we just leave it. And drawers are empty. And actually, if you pan over to Sean's side, this little door can be closed.
Yeah.
So it's like
it has got that oriental touch to it.
So maybe the kids cannot come through when you want to use the washroom. And yeah, we just leave our luggages right over here. So let's go to the washroom.
And the washroom, it's pretty big. And then there's a his and hers wash basin. And
they are using the
L'Occitane
shower amenity.
Yeah.
It smells like very orchid kind of fragrance. It's jasmine as well. And they have a bar of the soap over here. And all the necessary items like the shaver, the comb, the shower cap, the hairband, toothpaste, cotton bud, loofah sponge, toothbrush, and then there's a power plug over there, and also have a cotton pad if you're going to remove your makeup.
And the fresh towel supplies are over here, placed in the shelves. There is a nice bathtub for you to soak
Yeah, come
your
over
stress
here.
away.
Let me show you that the bathtub is quite big. It can just like fit
But
inside.
it's definitely only suitable for one person, as you can see. And then bath salt is actually available for your soaking pleasure as well. If you turn to the other side, it's where the porcelain throne is.
Yeah, you can there's a bidet over here, extra toilet towel over there, and then the toilet bowl is over here. So let me show you inside the shower room.
The rain shower as well as the shower head has been provided.
So they give two sets of the shampoo. So one is in the standing shower area. There's another set in the bathtub.
And there is a grab bar for people with reduced mobility. And then a place for you to sit and perhaps scrub your feet when you're having a shower, which is really considerate.
Yeah, let's go for a big test now.
Okay.
So I hope that this 360 effect is good enough for you, not too giddy. And okay, go on the other side. Okay, let me turn the camera over here. We stay here 4 times, and we always like the bed.
Yeah, the linen thread count is really nice, comfortable, soft.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, yeah.
That's nice.
It's softer than the one that we had in Rasa Sentosa. It's very comfortable, and the pillow is a very comfortable pillow. I believe that if you request for a special pillow, they should have choices for you to ask for a pillow menu. Then you can have more comfortable.
I think it's down pillow, so it's really very soft.
So with this, we're going to end the video here. We hope you like this special effect 360 camera tour. I'm not sure whether you think it's too giddy or you think it's cool or you like it. Let us know so we can do it more often with this camera. But with the privacy concern, so we only use this 360 camera in room.
Or within a space that is quite private, that doesn't record the faces of others.
Yeah, we think that privacy can be quite important for everyone.
Leave us a comment if you like what you see in this vlog, and then we'll share with you more
again with this camera
in the near future.
Okay, bye bye now. Okay, let me off the camera.